Hey there, veggie virtuosos and kitchen connoisseurs. Are you ready to embark on a vegtastic adventure that will tickle your taste buds and tantalize your senses? Today, we're delving into the delicious debate surrounding veggies and their nutrient content when they hit the heat. Get ready to peel back the layers of this veggie mystery, uncover some juicy tidbits, and maybe even crack a few veggie-related jokes along the way. But before we dive into the veggie patch, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because who knows, you might just leave with a whole new appreciation for your favorite greens. Let's get cooking and let the veggie games begin. Exploring the veggie conundrum. The age-old debate, to cook or not to cook. That is the veggie conundrum. For generations, people have debated whether cooking veggies is the best way to preserve their precious nutrients or if it's a one-way ticket to nutrient destruction. So let's peel back the layers of this veggie mystery and see what we find. When you cook your veggies, you're subjecting them to heat, which can break down their cellular structure and release their nutrients. But here's the twist. Different cooking methods can have different effects on the nutrient content of your veggies. Boiling, for example, can cause water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C to leach into the cooking water, resulting in a loss of nutrients. However, steaming and microwaving tend to be gentler cooking methods that help retain more nutrients as they involve shorter cooking times and minimal exposure to water. But what about frying, you ask? Frying, the ultimate guilty pleasure. While frying can certainly add flavor and crunch to your veggies, it can also lead to nutrient loss due to high temperatures and prolonged cooking times. Plus, the addition of oil can significantly increase the calorie and fat content of your dish, which may not be ideal for those watching their waistlines. Now let's talk about nutrient absorption. Believe it or not, some nutrients in veggies are actually more bioavailable when cooked. Take carrots, for example. Cooking them actually increases their levels of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body can convert into vitamin A. So in some cases, cooking your veggies can actually enhance their nutritional value and make them even more beneficial for your health. Exploring nutrient retention. Now let's delve deeper into the specific nutrients that are affected by cooking and how their bioavailability can change depending on the cooking method. First up, let's talk about water-soluble vitamins, namely vitamin C and the B vitamins. These vitamins are particularly vulnerable to heat and can be easily leached out into the cooking water when veggies are boiled. So if you're looking to maximize your intake of these nutrients, it's best to opt for cooking methods that involve minimal water exposure, such as steaming or microwaving. However, it's not all bad news for these water-soluble vitamins. While some may be lost during the cooking process, others actually become more bioavailable when exposed to heat. Take vitamin C, for example. While cooking can cause some vitamin C loss, it can also help break down the tough cell walls of certain veggies, making the remaining vitamin C more accessible to your body. Now let's shift our focus to fat-soluble vitamins, namely vitamins A, D, E, and K. Unlike their water-soluble counterparts, these vitamins are more stable when exposed to heat and are less likely to be lost during cooking. In fact, some studies have shown that cooking certain veggies can actually increase their levels of fat-soluble vitamins, particularly vitamin A. For instance, cooking tomatoes into a rich marinara sauce can actually increase their levels of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, making it more readily available to your body. Similarly, cooking spinach can enhance its levels of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in protecting your cells from oxidative damage. But perhaps the most surprising thing of all is that some nutrients are actually more bioavailable when cooked than when raw. Take lycopene, for example. This powerful antioxidant is found in high concentrations in cooked tomatoes and has been linked to a reduced risk of certain diseases, including heart disease and cancer. In fact, studies have shown that cooking tomatoes can actually increase their levels of lycopene, making it more beneficial for your health. So, while it's true that cooking veggies can cause some nutrient loss, it's not always a bad thing. In fact, certain cooking methods can actually enhance the bioavailability of nutrients, making them easier for your body to absorb and utilize. So don't be afraid to fire up the stove and let those veggies work their magic. Your body will thank you for it. And there you have it, folks, the truth behind the age-old question. Does cooking your veggies destroy their nutrients? While cooking methods can certainly impact the nutrient content of your veggies, it's not always as black and white as you might think. Factors like cooking method, soil quality, storage conditions, and ripeness all play a role in determining the nutritional value of your favorite greens. If you found this veggie exploration enlightening, or if you're just craving a big hearty salad, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. After all, who doesn't love a little veggie wisdom served with a side of humor? Until next time, happy cooking, and may your veggies be forever nutritious and delicious.